watching TV. Me too.
Okay, you guys are invited to a play date at my house today. Yeah, of course we'll be there. It's gonna be so much fun. Play date, play date, play date.
Play date.
Are you crazy? Let's just crash the party instead, like they did to ours. Oh yeah, that sounds like a better idea. Let's give them a taste of their own medicine. What are you guys talking about? You'll find out later. Okay. Oh yeah, go ahead and subscribe and like right now if you haven't. Say, someone's at the door. Also, remember that they need the code to get in.
Wait, what's the code again?
The code is girls, rules, and boys doo-doo.
Right?
Hi, Zane.
What's my little sister's code?
Girls, rules, and boys doo-doo.
Yeah, come in.
Hey, Masha, thanks for coming. The party is upstairs. That's the house over there. Come on, let's go.
Are you girls part of the club?
Yes.
Then what's the code?
Peanut butter. Really?
Get out of here.
What are we supposed to do now? Let's just wait for the next person. Maybe we can get the code from her. How? Maybe I can use my hearing device to get the password.
Huh? What just happened? Wait for it. Yay, I like watching this. Huh? What happened? A silver variational card monthly test? What does that mean? Is it something bad? No, it's just a test. That emergency alert system.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency